coffee machine. Oh. Rest stop.
Coffee and a muffin for breakfast.
Healthy choices. You're not impressed that I grabbed a big piece?
And dropped this one.
A little stop by the highway to stretch our legs. Look at that. So we are entering this town called Princeton, and from there we're gonna move on to Penticton. I wanted to stop here to show you guys this settlement up here. You've been here before?
I've driven through a couple times.
I've been here only once. So yeah, I guess the journey continues.
Save tons of fruit stands in the summer with fresh peaches, fresh apples, all sorts of different fruits.
Yeah.
But right now, because it's April, they're not open.
So we just arrived in Penticton and it's very scenic. I don't want you guys to miss it. Stop coming up and maybe we'll stop and then give you guys a closer look. It's nice to finally be here after a 4.5-hour drive. It's a very scenic one, and if you have time, make lots of stops and enjoy the place. So that right there is Penticton. This is the final point. You can see how vast it really is all the way, and it continues further down there and all the way there. Nice place. Do you want to walk up and take a look?
Your brother wants to know where we are.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I really love Penticton. This is one of my favorite places in BC.
Nice place.
Yeah, very nice.
Penticton is so nice.
It is.
I love staying here. It's like vacation spot every day.
I know.
Oh, oh, I did that. Oh my god. Moment.
Francis left the door.
Oh, the window needs to be rolled up. Oh, this is cool.
I don't know who started this.
Really? Some random person.
Oh, oh, thank you.
Oh, this is very
It
nice.
smells good in
Nice
here.
and cozy.
Use a fresh air. All this is with the landing.
Oh, nice little kitchen over here. And the feed. This is where you do your laundry. Is it just yours or everybody's?
Everybody up.
Very nice.
So this is like a typical Canadian house,
It's a little
and
bit
this
far-
is the basement
a
suite.
little bit further away, so you don't have to hustle with noise and stuff, right?
Yeah. Oh,
I should show you the backyard actually.
sure.
Backyard
Yeah.
is huge. The backyard.
Oh, yeah, it's a very nice
Lots of stuff.
place.
Very nice backyard.
Yeah.
What is that called?
I don't know.
The,
I don't know
Blossom?
either.
no. Cherry blossom? Is that?
I don't know.
I'll show you first Penticton around.
Yeah.
Like the mountains, you know that stuff, but maybe for him,
Yeah.
the lakes, and then we can do a Soyuz today if you want, or we can do it tomorrow. Maybe it's too much drive. I'll drive, but I don't know if you guys have the energy to go a little further.
I'm just happy to see you, man. That's the main thing.
Yeah, you can see. You can see right now.
Oh.
You
Nice little restaurant.
So what we do is we change that, right?
Trying to figure out what to eat. You guys decide. We are going to a different place right now.
Ford is over there.
Ford is there. Subaru's there.
Yeah. There's like a shop.
Nice little beach by the lake.
Like the Okanagan.
Yeah.
This is Skaha. So you haven't seen Okanagan yet.
No, I haven't seen that.
That's the one you'll use to go back to Merritt.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
They're the same water, right?
So Skaha Lake.
Skaha Lake.
Oh, what's
there's
with
all
the
these
food
food
trucks?
trucks here.
That's cool. Is that open year round?
No,
Oh.
it's gonna be in
Summer.
the summer.
Yeah.
In winter,
Spicy
people usually,
beef?
okay, I cannot go anywhere. The roads are not good.
Sweet and
We
sour
were
chicken.
literally
Sour
roaming
chicken?
around everywhere.
What is
because
yours?
the Otoyo
Udon,
and
yaki
here,
udon.
from up to Kelowna.
It's a lot of food. Oh, and there's the last one there.
It's always green,
Part of
even
my
in the
reach
winter.
here. I just gotta.
That's so nice.
Oh, that
There we
looks
go.
so
The black
nice.
plate is definitely gonna be very
Thank
hot.
you
So
very
just be
much.
careful.
Bulgogi.
You guys need it.
Out around 150 kilometers. 150 kilometers because for 90 kilometers I have to drive around 1.5 hours.
This is
We
downtown
have everything. We have
Penticton.
city hall.
Downtown
some-
Penticton.
They do some concerts here, not concerts, but like there's a whole thing there.
Oh, cool.
The ship. It's called the Sycamus Museum.
Oh,
There's a
yeah.
museum in the ship.
We're gonna take a closer look at the ship. Look at that. It's pretty neat, for a lack of better way to describe it. We are at a different area by the lake. It's Canada Goose. Oh, so this is the ship. Hello. Another boat there. It's like a fishing boat.
Northern Lights.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is from
Over there. Look at that.
Look at the reflection of the.
Beautiful.
Reflection of the water. Oh yes. Beautiful reflections. Sparkling water.
Literally.
The channel connecting to the water.
So people float down the channel from here and go?
No, it's from that side.
Oh, from the
dead end.
Oh yeah, this is rocky. So have you ever floated?
I did. I floated down this in 2019 with my dad. It was really fun.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So this is where it ends, right?
No, it starts down there and it goes down to Skaha. The Skaha Lake, I think.
Oh yeah, it flows like this. Yeah.
This reminds me of a place
We're gonna get some ice cream. Fun?
Wolf Pass. So it's like vanilla, chocolate, and peanut butter and brownie.
Cranberry.
Oh wow. What is your flavor? What flavor
Cranberry.
is this?
Yeah.
Cranberry.
I just tried it one time.
Yes. Usually vanilla is white, right? This is yellow.
It almost looks like it's a French
Is it
vanilla.
It's like a French vanilla.
Ah, okay. I was a little confused.
Oh, that looks so good. So this is like a waffle cup, right?
So you can bite it.
Yeah. Some syrups here. Look at all these syrups. Look.
They're all local too.
Pretty good concept, right? Excited to try this for sure.
Can you try the peach one? Because the Okanagan is famous for their peaches.
It does look like honey syrup.
They don't see what's happening.
That one is very good.
There's snakes
And
in
be
this.
careful,
Oh,
there are
look at this.
rattlesnakes.
Oh, there's more deer.
They got deer.
Oh, look in the sheet. There's another one. Oh. Oh, tarantula.
Look at that deer.
Ooh.
It's
Oh, there's
huge.
black with.
There's another deer.
Oh yeah.
The two deers. Oh, we have to
I
be-
think they're mule deer.
When it's really sunny
Yeah.
in the summer, this is blue. Now it's cloudy, so it doesn't look blue, right?
Oh, okay.
So this is the whole Penticton. So
That's
this is
crazy.
That's Skaha Lake.
Yeah.
This is Okanagan Lake.
So on a sunny day, the water is turquoise in color, and this is the Okanagan Lake, and that is the, what's the name of that lake?
That's where you came from.
Skaha.
Skaha.
Skaha Lake, Okanagan Lake, and this is the whole of Penticton. This is very scenic for sure.
Towards the.
I don't come to this kind of places often.
I thought this was the top.
Here it looks way nicer.
Yeah.
It just looks like, I don't know.
So coming here in the morning is a better idea.
Morning and evening for sunset.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
I know, but going down will be easier.
Yes.
There are hills.
Look at this little cactus.
Oh, that looks like a nasty bug.
Yeah.
They thought it was a bug.
Me too.
Ooh, that was nice.
If you do it, yeah. Go that way.
That's
No,
that way. On your left.
Yes.
Why do I want to do this?
So that you can carve it. If
Just
you
try.
hack it, the ball will go here.
Oh. Oh,
See?
no.
But that's good. That's good.
Oh my god.
So that goes
You're good
here.
at this.
Let's go. Oh, that was so cute.
Yes, exactly.
Aim's good.
Nice. It's okay.
Good enough. How are you feeling?
This is the first time I've been able to hit a ball, so usually when I hit them, they bounce.
That was a good one. Oh, almost took the other one. Come on, do it.
Try again.
All right, Rafid, you got this. What happened?
That was a good shot. That was a good shot.
This is your time to look good on the camera. Here you
It's
go.
gonna go.
There you go. There you go.
Now you're putting pressure on me.
Nice.
Good job. That was a good shot. Good job. Oh.
What happens if it goes in?
You guys enjoyed our vlog. I'm gonna make more vlogs next time. It was very much fun hanging out with these guys. So like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.